told us to keep talking.
Oh my god, oh my god, okay, everybody, what's going on? Talk about it, you know. I love the story. In 2001, Alan Titchmarsh was voted the second world's sexiest man on television. They called him the Corduroy Casanova. And even the Queen said to him, "You've given a lot of women a lot of pleasure." And it's true, that's true. That's true, isn't it? What I'd like to share? No, I can't top that. You can have a go. So what happened then, Dave? The soundmen are still going like that, wondering what's going on. So everybody, anyone else?
We're back.
We're back.
What's that then? Isaac Coleman, that one-liner was fucking amazing. Come on! I've never seen that part of our set before, and fuck me, I like it. It wasn't her fault. She made sugar taste like salt, 'cause she was so sweet. Now you're shuffling your feet with your hands in your pockets, and you can hear your eyes rolling round in their sockets. You can point the finger, but no one's to blame for chemical reactions starting in your brain. Looking at you lot thinking, who's it gonna be? Who's the lucky boy that's gonna ease my pain? Alan Titchmarsh. If only I love you, Alan. So does my mum. It wasn't her fault. She likes her taste like salt. When she walked in the room, you could hear her eyes rolling round in their sockets. Their sockets, their sockets, their sockets. She doesn't know if it's a blessing or a curse. Money in her habit, never ready in her purse. Looking at the crowd, thinking, is it gonna be? Who's a lucky boy that's gonna punch my first? Wasn't her fault. Spending every second we should all go away. Tired of our shows and becoming a problem. It wasn't her fault. She made sugar taste like salt. She was so sweet. She was in the break with your eyes in the boots. It wasn't her fault. She made sugar taste like salt. She walked in the room. You could hear her eyes running round. It's so good. She don't know what's her name, but chemical reactions outside in your brain. Looking at the crowd, who's it gonna be? Who's a lucky boy that's gonna ease my pain? Wasn't that fool, then another say. Spending every second, they go away. Tying my shoes, it's a fucking. It wasn't that fool. She made sure taste like salt. She was so sweet. Now you're shuffling your feet with your hands in your pockets. Wasn't that fool. She would taste like salt. When she walked in the room, you could hear her eyes on it. Suck it. Suck it, suck it, suck it. Ah. Wasn't that fault? Wasn't that fault? Wasn't her fault. Wasn't her fault. It wasn't her fault. It wasn't her fault. It wasn't her fault. Look at your eyes running round in this sausage. Thank you. That was nice.